Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So I'm heading away for a little getaway and I want to share with you what I'm packing, how I pack, and my tips and tricks for travel. If you're interested in seeing that, please keep on watching. I've also written a long blog for you. It's at www.mojointouch.com on how to prepare when you're traveling, especially if you're traveling with kids. I'll link it for you in the description box below. Ensure to check it out. So what I like to do when I'm traveling, depending on where I am going to, is that I like to make a list. I make a list of everything I want to bring with me on the journey. For example, if I'll be attending an occasion on my journey, I like to bring something really nice and fancy. So I folded the pants and the blouse right there, and I have my jewelry on the side of it. So if it's somewhere around the pool, I like to bring something like a swimwear and a cover up, if you know what I mean. To my very front, I have my two-piece swimwear. It is a blush color. It's very nice and gorgeous. I love it. So I have a cover up to my left hand side, which is a floral dress. It's made out of a tulle fabric. So secondly, following that list, I like to lay out everything that I will be bringing with me. So I like to display everything on my bed so I can see everything. So I have everything I will be taking with me right there laid out on the bed. Everything is all sorted. Alright, so number 4, I like to put all my gels and liquid in a plastic bag. That will be my foundation, my perfume, my lipstick in a plastic bag that is sheer, my toothpaste. All those things are gel. And the content of the things in the plastic bag should not be more than 100 ml, 100 milliliter. For example, my Max Fix Plus is 100 ml. It fits into my travel bag also. Then I have my creams and gels tied in a plastic bag. I ensure to carry my bags, my handbag that I will be taking on the journey, and I make sure that I put my passport in that bag. Very important. There's nothing as bad as getting to the airport and then you realize you've forgotten your passport at home. Some people will say, oh, that's stupid, but sincerely these things happen. I ensure to bring my travel documents. I make sure I put it in the bag I will be carrying, and before I leave the house also, I always check that to ensure that my passport is in my bag, because without that passport you're not getting on that flight. All right, I have my passport, I have my wallet, and I have my handbag right there. Once I lock my bag, I keep that padlock very close to a safe place in my purse, maybe where my passport is. There's no point locking your bag, and when you arrive at where you're going, you can't open your bag. That will be disaster. All right, so if you are traveling and you are just going to check in a bag, delays can happen. It can happen that your bag will not come through. I always encourage that you get a small bag, your handbag. In your handbag, get like a blouse, maybe an undergarment, your toothbrush. Put those 4 items in your handbag, so that way you can have a change of underwear. If, for example, your bag gets lost, or your bag is delayed, or someone else goes away with your bag, so that way you are not running around trying to find things, especially if it is a place you do not know or you are not familiar with. So ensure to carry small items that you can use in your handbag. Then I create a way to pack my things in such a way that there's no damage, there's no spillage, there's no loss. Then finally I have this on the very top right here. Okay, right here on the top, and I have my jewelry box on the very top. This is the whole lot I'm bringing because it's a quick getaway. To secure everything, I have a towel which I like to use to cover the very top of it, so everything remains intact there for me right there. Okay, and I'm going to seal my bag. All right, this is everything right there, packed. And I'm ready to go. This is a carry-on actually. I'm not going to be checking it in, so everything is going to be with me everywhere I go. Alright, and finally I have my handbag, which I will also be carrying with me. So those are some of the tips I like to follow when I'm traveling. Like I said earlier on, I wrote a long blog with more photos on the blog, so you can check it out in the description box. There will be a direct link for you to check it out. Alright, as always, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you found it helpful. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please feel free to share with your friends and family. It's all free. You can catch up with me on all my social media platforms. I'm on Facebook at Mojin Touch. I'm on Instagram at Mojin Touch. I'm also on Twitter at Mojin Touch. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. I love you for watching. I'll speak to you soon on my next video.